Bryan is not destined for great things because he's already doing great things.
I'm going to act on your behalf. I'm going to do something. And I'm going to believe in me and everybody else around me. We are!
About 300 kids in the gym here today, and had every single one of them looking at him and participating. It really says a lot about who he is as a person.
Just step over the problem because we're indifferent about the people that are in front of us.
He was an amazing speaker. The students were really engaged, and I think that they really understood the message of empathy.
So Bryan's awesome. His energy is amazing, over the top. He gets the kids listening, which is a really difficult thing to do, especially at this age.
Since the beginning of time, we have always been humanity. Sympathy is not empathy. Empathy ultimately will bring me into action to making a difference in that person's life.
I was very engaged in his presentation because he's, like I said before, he was really presented.
Awesome, guys.
The teachers were able to walk away with a deliverable on how to improve the connection, not only with the students, but also just with each other's colleagues.
But the person that you have to choose to believe in has to be you. Is that you're not just possible leaders either. Every single one of you are leaders right now as well, because at least you have children that you are literally leading right now. I want you to first believe that you are supposed to be here, and two, believe that you can succeed.
Bryan has this really unique way of connecting with his audience and just making them believe what he's saying.
Radical empathy is the action step that leads us to a greater focus on how to help someone tangibly through their situation. That's good. One more. What is empathy? I need us to start imagining, start thinking about what life can be like for someone else.
Trying to motivate middle school students is one of the hardest things. That's one of the hardest part of our jobs. And so he was able to, I believe, motivate them and help them to realize that they are in control of their own destiny.